Good morning, students. Now, this is the fourth part of a chapter comparing quantity 8. Okay, and in this four part, we are just going to study about the sales tax. Okay, the sales tax means the tax which is held on a article which is sold by a shopkeeper, and the sales tax is charged by this government. Okay, and the government is a state government, not a central government. The state government is charge the sell tax on a item. Okay, now in some state the sell tax is also known as the VAT, means VAT, which equals to value added tax. Okay, the value added tax and the sell tax both are same. So see, sell tax is a charge by this government, the state government, on the sale of an item. It is a certain price percentage of the selling price. Okay, certain percentage of a selling price. It is a responsibility of a seller to pay this tax to the government. Sell tax is usually charged as a certain percentage of a selling price of an item or an article or a product. Okay, see in illustration, if an article is selling for rupees 500 and the sell tax rate is 7%, okay, the price of article is, selling price of article is 500 and the sell tax is 7%, then to find the bill amount of the article, what we have to do? First of all, we have to find the sell tax of the articles. So the formula of sell tax is 7% of rupees 500, 7 upon 100 into 500, and the sell tax is 35%. Now the bill amount of the article is 500 plus 35 equals to 535. This means the buyer will pay rupees 535 instead of 500 to the shopkeeper for the article. Discount is a price which is subtract from a mark price, and the sell tax is a price or amount which we have to add it to the selling price. And one more thing, the sell tax is always calculated on selling price of an article. Okay, as we know, profit and loss is calculated on cost price, discount is calculated on market price or a list price, same as sell tax is charged on selling price of an article. Okay, so the sell tax is a tax which is headed by a state government. Okay, so this is a main thing of a sales tax which we have to pay to the government. If we are not supposed to pay the sell tax to the government to or buy a article from a shopkeeper without any bill, then that 500 rupees is a black money for the shopkeeper, because there is a no bill of this 500 rupees. This is the black money. So that's why the government said to the customers or a people that they have to take a bill from a shopkeeper and they have to pay a sales tax. Okay, so this is a simple thing that we have to follow. See here, the rate of a sales tax vary means different from state to state and from item to item. In some state, however, the selling price include a tax known as a value added tax. This is also charged as a certain percentage of a selling price of an item. Okay, the value added tax, or this tax is already including in the selling price. You can see that if you purchase any article जिसके ऊपर आप आपका सेलिंग प्राइस लिखा हुआ होगा, आफ्टर द प्राइस इन ब्रैकेट दे राइट इंक्लूडिंग ऑल टैक्स, इंक्लूडिंग ऑल टैक्स मीन्स वो पहले से ही उसमें सेल टैक्स और वैल्यू एडेड टैक्स इंक्लूड कर लेते हैं. यू कैन सी in any grocery items or in any other product, they always said in after the price that all taxes are included. Okay, this is a sale tax or a VAT, value added tax. Now we can see in the example, see, mark price of a computer is 28,000. The mark price means the list price. It is sold at a discount of 10%. Okay, so first of all we have to give a 10% discount. Find the amount of a discount allowed on the computer and its selling price. Okay, now see, the mark price is 28,000 and the discount of 10%. So 10% of 28,000 is rupees 2800. Therefore the SP of a computer is 28,000 minus 2,800. The value is 25,200. So the selling price of a computer is 25,200. In this example, we just calculate the discount, and discount is calculated on a mark price or a list price. In the next question, the sell tax is also given. See, the mark price of a watch is rupees 1375. Okay, 1375. This time, at this time, the mark price is a selling price. Okay, the mark price is the selling price of the article. If a sell tax is charged at the rate of 4%, find the amount one has to pay for buying it. So the mark price of a watch equals to 1375 and the rate of sell tax is 4%. So what we have to do? We have to find 4% of a 1375. So 4% of 1375 is rupees 55. Now the total cost of a watch equals to 1375 plus 55 is equals to 1430. Okay, 1430 is the selling price for the shopkeeper, and the purchaser or a buyer who have to give 1430 rupees to a shopkeeper to buy this watch. Okay, so as I said you, the sell tax always charge on a selling price, and here the mark price is the selling price of the watch. Okay, now we just move for the assignment. I just give you assignment in the next as a Word file of this chapter, and in that assignment I just give you 10 questions, 5 for discount and 5 for sell tax. Okay, so you have to simply put out the formula, find out the values, and have to plus or minus. To find out the discounted rate you have to minus, and for the sell price you have to plus. Thank you. Have a good day.